So my coolant reservoir was leaking. It looks like it's cracked right there. That's where it's leaking from. Right there, I don't know if you can see that. A big crack. 2500 brand ProMaster. I just plugged it up right now, so yeah, I don't know how to do this, but it's easy. This is a new one. Reinforcement. So what I did is unplugged, took these clamps off. Right there, there's 1, 2, and 3. So now I just gotta put it back on. So let's do that. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing, but it's easy. Oh boy, let's see, how do you do this? Can't be that hard. Okay. I forgot one thing, the clamp, the new clamp. That's not it, a little bit bigger. Let's try this one. This is how I'll probably do it. I'm gonna have it like this so I could tighten it. Okay. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, but it's easy. Right in there. Oh, there's a little groove in here. Sits right there. Cool. Okay. Man, this thing has been leaking for a while, and I've been procrastinating. I can't get stuck when I'm going through that desert. It's gonna start getting hot. Let's see, that'd be cool. Sits right in there. Oh, I forgot one thing. I gotta take it back off. Let's see, what did I forget? Let's screw it back off real quick. Screw it off. So what I forgot is to take the old one off. It's a one-time use. I'm not gonna use that again. Set it back on that groove. Let's loosen that up a little bit so I could. Where it's gonna sit. Test it real quick. It's gonna sit right there. Just a little bit more. Just a little bit more this way. There it goes. About right there. Just so I can reach it whenever I want to. Snug it up real quick. Nice and snug. Just cleaned it up. Yeah, it's nice and tight. I'll loosen this up. It's a little clamp that I had, so it won't spill. And it sits right in there. Show you where it sits. Little grooves, little holes, I mean. Sits right in there. Bam. So it's sitting in there. Okay, what's next? So these brand new. It's gonna sit right there. You know what? Let me screw this back on. Where's that bolt? You gotta cut this little plastic thing that came with it off. So I'm gonna set this down real quick. So I cut this off. Nope. Zip tie that came with it. Take this old one off. Put a new one on there before I forget again. How are we gonna put this? Go like this, yeah. Just like that. Oh man, this is easy. But like I said, let's put the screw back on. Just to hold it for me. It's hand tight for now. So I'll be able to put this, since I'm using one hand. Put this back on. It's gonna go right there like this. Bam, right there. Yep. And this is gonna go right there. Like I said, I was procrastinating on changing this for like over a year, and it was leaking. It was way below here. I was like, come on, dude, can't be that lazy. But yeah, I was. But now I'm back on it. Sometimes it could be a little bit lazy. But don't let it go, because then you can have problems. Okay. tighten these up right here. And tighten it. Sure it's set where I want it. And the same thing as the one in the back. And sitting. Not too tight, just snug, I guess. Let's cut it tight. Let's do the one in the back. Man, this is easy. It only took me, what, 10 minutes? Do it myself. It's cheaper, save money. Go have lunch after this. And pay for itself. Please. You could do with the flat screwdriver, but if I got this at hand, I'm just gonna snug it up real good. Double check it real quick. It's not going nowhere. It's not going nowhere. Let's tighten this one up too. Cool, that's not going nowhere. So tighten this screw up. Let's take these off. Take the back one off. Yeah, buy tools, man. It makes the job easier. This is kind of rubbing on there. Before I rub it on here, make sure I buy that brand new. Doesn't matter, it's just a water thing, so forget about that. Looks good. It's snug, real good. Double check everything. Nice and snug. It's all brand new. Like I said, this one was cracked right there. Look at that. It was leaking for a while. What it was running it was running down toward my fans, and my fans were blowing it on the radiator, and it was smoking. I thought it was my radiator. But I knew it was this. So hopefully now that I'm gonna add some new coolant, clean it up, make sure it doesn't look like it's leaking. Or put some degreaser. Right down. Throw these away. Throw this out. These go bad. See? Looks good. Good job. You gotta pat yourself on the back for that. It's only 10 minutes. So, like I said, here's my clips I bought from, I bought these at Harbor Freight. You never know when you're gonna need them. That's the whole piece. Alright, let's add coolant and that's it.